Hello, dear students. This is Dr. Srinivasappa G, Department of English, Government First Grade College, Sira. The college is affiliated to University, Karnataka. And this is my 13th video lesson. And here I want to introduce new literary form to you. In the previous 12 sessions, we have discussed and understand on poetry, that is restoration and pre-romantic poetry. And in this session, I concentrate on new literary genre, that is ESC. We have four literary forms, generally speaking. That is poetry, drama, essays, and novel. And in this session, let us discuss and understand essays, particularly in the Restoration period. And Restoration period is an important era in the history of English literature, because the era, it was between 1660 to 1700. 1660 to 1700. And here, the Restoration era, it is a revolutionary era because we know it. Puritans were for a long time in the history of Europe, and they never did allow for any kind of progressive writing and kind of writing for entertainment. Drama, that is theater, was entirely closed by them. No kind of recreation. It was only intellectual moment. But now restoration, the word restore means the theater was restored. The theater were begun in this period, during the period of Charles II. He made a place for the theater again. They restarted, and they started writing plays. Literature, it was supported by King Charles II. And today in this class, I mainly focus on essay. Let us see what is essay. How do we interpret essay? Essay, it is a short form of literature. Here, It is a short form of literary composition based on a single subject matter and often gives the personal opinion of the author. See that? It is shorter than poetry, that is epic, shorter than plays, shorter than novel. It is concise form of writing, we say that. Here, in the literary form, the author is going to express his own opinion and he is going to express and discuss his views and react to the socio-political changes in the system or in the state. Where the writer is at liberty to express directly his views and opinion on a particular subject and the topic. And it is sometimes it is a personal point of view is going to express like an autobiography. But autobiography is a big that is the history of a particular person or a particular writer that is different. Here the essay, it is a short piece of writing that expresses information as well as a writer's opinion. It's a short piece of writing. The information which is expressed by the writer of his own and his own views. This is how we can interpret essay. And it's a written composition of the moderate length, exploring a particular issue or subject. The length of the essay is shorter than other literary forms, but it is specific. And generally speaking, there are four kinds of essays. One is argumentative essay. A particular topic is discussed, and it will be a argumentation with A and B on a particular subject or the topic, particular issue. And second one is that is narrative essay. And the writer that is an essayist is going to express his views in the form of narration. And we also see the descriptive kind of essays and the expository essays. This is how we have the four kinds of essays. Number one is argumentative, expository, descriptive, and narrative essays. And let us see that this is just the meaning and interpretation, the concept of essay that we have seen. Let us see that how essay is supported by Charles II during his reign. How this literary form was begun and how it is developed, and what were the contribution of the essays during the restoration period, and who are the important essayists in the literature restoration literature. That is what we are going to see now. That and that is the topic today's in this session is that an introduction to restoration essays. I am going to give an introduction to a brief introduction to essay and particularly restoration essays. Because we are going to study some of the essays in our syllabus. It is just a historical background or literary background of the essay during the restoration period. The essay it is in the prose form. It is not poetic. not dramatic also. The mode the poet has, the author, the essayist has used for writing his own opinions is the prose writing. Prose, it was very popular form of writing, and where the author is going to express his views in different forms. And essays, especially written in the form of dialogue and rhetoricism. In the rhetorical period, there is mainly focus on the satire and irony. In the essay, we see this. Rhetorical period is mainly focused on that is satire of the people. The writer is going to expose the follies and introduce ambitiousness of the people who are spending life luxuriously in the clubs and the restaurants. That is what we see. I would like to quote important essay that is the Kandu, that is the Way of the World. There we see the satire. Here in the literary form of essays also we can see the satire in the essays also. And the essay, the satire, dialogue in the philosophy and religion thrived the rhetorician prose in English literature. The prose is developed and supported in the essays also. English novel was truly begun as a serious art form actually during the rhetoricism, theatre, and the novel. All the forms were restored by the encourage of the Charles II. Literacy in the early 18th century passed into working classes as well as middle class, upper class. During the Puritan period, only a class of people were literate and they are going to read and write and they can produce literature. During Restoration period, it is liberated and all class of people, the middle class and upper class and the lower class people have the literacy and they started reading the literature. They are exposed to the world of literature and letters they were exposed in the true sense. Furthermore, literacy was not confined to men, though the rates of female literacy were very difficult to establish. Actually, in the beginning, when it was restoring, it was a revolution. I told you that it is not quite simple thing to that is start immediate the literature that is literacy immediately. Men they were acquired the knowledge of reading and writing first, and it is followed by the female later. It was a crucial moment to start this. Therefore, it is a revolution of everything. For those who were literate, that is, the circulating libraries in England began in the Augustan period. Even during the Augustan age itself, the literate they started reading in the library, circulating library. They are borrowing the library, and they started reading the works. Usually, the novels used to read and essays also were encouraged to read. Libraries were open to all, and it was not that is constrained to any particular people. It is open to all. All the people were encouraged to go to the library and read, and they can develop the knowledge. But they were mainly associated with the female patronage and the novel reading and essay reading. When the reading was encouraged, it was the opportunity that was used by the female more than the men. It was they see during the Restoration movement. Essays they were used as continental models during this period. Essays were continental models during this period, but they were developed their form independently from that tradition, and periodical essays in literature grew between 1692 to 1712. We see the periodical essays, and they're not regular essays. They were writing periodically the essays, and quarterly they were writing, and monthly essays were writing, and those were kept in the library and supply for the readers, those who are visiting libraries. And the most important the periodical journal, popular journal during this period was Spectator. It was with the collaboration of the edition and Richard Seal. It was started and it was most popular journal, and where they could write the Spectator is accessible to all the people, those who are having literacy to read. And it is a platform where they were writing essays. It is also open access essays during that time too. The spectators established the form of British periodical essays and developed a number of pseudonyms characters, including Mr. Spectators, Roger D. Coverley, and Isaac Bickerstaff, and both Addison and Steele created fictions to surround their narrators. When the people started reading essays, then it encouraged people to read novel. And the people selected the essays because it is very short and length of it, and they can read immediately, they can understand. Actually, people wanted to understand the individual opinion of the author. Therefore, they would like to read essays, and later it is supported and encouraged to read a novel later. Yes, the dispassionate view of the world was essential for the development of the English essay, as it set out a ground wherein Addison and Steele could comment and meditate upon manners and events. Usually, even in the essays also, they mainly exposes the manners of the people, and they're going to comment, and it is a satire on the human behavior of the period. It is a tool where they are going to correct the people of the period. There, that is social behavior and the manners they were corrected by writing these essays. And there were many writers like Samuel Johnson and Goldsmith. That is, they were remarking on the essays. Samuel Johnson's command of words and his practical wisdom gained the following moral perseverance, rather than being philosophers like Montesquieu. English essayist could be an honest observer and reader still. After the success of the Spectator's more political periodicals of comment appeared. Philosophy and religious writing in essays. In the essays, periodical essays, they used to write the philosophical writing and religious writing and the political and social writing and political commentary and the political issues. So those were mainly concentrated as the topic of the essays. Augustan period was also remarkable for its philosophical and religious writings. For example, Daniel Defoe's The Satirist Way with dissenters are the proposals, the establishment of the church. The work is satirical, attacking all of the worries of the establishment figures over the challenges of the dissenters. Later, still the most majestic work of the year. David Hume, on the other hand, took that is the empiricist skepticism to its extreme, and he was the most radically empiricist philosopher of the period. David Hume, the skepticism, the scientific that is the form of writing, scientific outlook of the writing of essays. That is what also we could see in the that is Restoration essays. When we observe the essay background in the Restoration period, that is a Spectator and Tatler, that is supported by written by that is Joseph Addison and that is Richard Steele. they popularized that is a form during this period. And in the that is the fourth coming sessions, we are going to study the particular essays of the Goldsmith, Man in Black, and the Trumpet Club of Goldsmith. We are going to study, and where you can understand the features of the restoration essays, how they are focused and reflected as well. What we have in the introduction period, that we have seen some of the features of the restoration essays. Thank you for listening the brief introduction of the that is restoration essays. Thank you very much. Let us visit in the next session in a particular essay. Thank you for listening. Thank you.